So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find pet-friendly rentals here on Zumper. So once Zumper's opened up, I want you to go to the location and type in your location. So I will just go to New York City. That was a recent search. Now once you're here, if you want to find rentals that are pet-friendly, I want you to go to the top left to where it says pets and then press on the drop down. Just for simplicity's sake, make sure that both dogs and cats are selected. So if you want to go ahead and make sure that no breeds are selected as well, you can go ahead and press on view results. Now, in this case, there actually doesn't seem to be that, but if you were to go ahead and uncheck that and then press on view results, it'll actually refine your search to places that are pet friendly. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find pet friendly rentals on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.